Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Freshdesk account settings step by step clearly. To reset your Freshdesk account settings, begin by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the top right corner of the home page. Click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. In the Profile Settings section, locate the Security tab. Click on the Security tab. Here, you will find options to reset your password and other security preferences. To reset your password, click on Change Password. Enter your current password in the designated field. Next, type in your new password, ensuring it meets all security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. After completing these steps, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Next, return to the main profile settings page. Scroll down until you find the Account Settings section. Here, you can adjust various settings, including notification preferences and language options. To reset notification preferences, click on the Notifications tab. Review each setting and select the ones you wish to modify. Once adjustments are made, ensure to save the changes. For any further adjustments, return to the Account Settings section. If you wish to delete your account instead of resetting settings, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on Delete Account if you are certain about this action. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion of your account. Always remember to log out after finishing your adjustments. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Freshdesk account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.